Hello everybody and welcome to my channel. Today we are going to unbox this OCuLink. We are going to unbox this OCuLink. It's this. It's the OCuLink dock. It's DOCK-OC4. DOCK-OC4. So this is just arrived. We are going to unbox this. Voila, as you can see it, this is in the box. And then we see this. So there is some plastic tape. Voila. And this is this. DOCK-OC4. Voila. This is this. And then yeah, you have this is the PCIe card. NVMe card, something like that. Voila. It's a 2280 card, so 2280, and then you can connect your OCuLink connector to it. NVMe Express. So OCuLink generation 4, generation 3, PCIe 4 SSD. So this is this, and then you have here the dock. So the dock, I think you fit like this. I see there is maybe no screws in it. Okay, no problem. I'm not sure how it goes. I think it is like that, yes. Voila. Ah, here there is screws. Yes, I see screws here inside of it. So I go to open it. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel because we are giving away nice prizes. We're giving away laptops, computer stuff, all kind of goodies. You only have to subscribe to our channel, and when you win something you will get notified. So these are the screws that are included. So you can mount it like that. So if you subscribe you can win something. Only subscribe and then you will get notified when you win something. And if you like this video, please like it. So I will show you the dock itself. Okay, hold on 1 second. I will put the screen on a good thing here. Yes. Okay, so this is the OCuLink dock. As you can see it here. OCuLink dock. This is it. So you see it like this. This is the bottom. This is the bottom. So, and this is the OCuLink dock. Voila. Don't forget to like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to like it. So if you like it, then you will get more content of this. So don't forget to like it, and please don't forget to subscribe. Bye bye.